Good morning, everyone. Janie here. Welcome back to my garden. It is going to be hot today. It's going to be 105 degrees today, and it's like 7 a.m. and it's already warm. So I don't know how much time I'll have back here, but Jason and I are out here bright and early. He's in the front yard right now. He is working on this drip irrigation issues. We noticed it was a little bit soggy right here in this pathway, and he dug down this morning and found a leak, and we're not sure if it's coming from here or if it's coming from here or if it's both. Very much well could be both, but we have to let this dry out first so that he can work there and replace it. And yes, I know how lucky I am that he's here to help me with this drip irrigation stuff. So anyway, he's going to be working on that. I think I'm going to be working on these beds that I just pulled because of a spider mite infestation. They've been sitting dormant for or not dormant, what do you call it? Sitting fallow, I think that's what you call it. Sitting fallow for a couple days now, so I know that there's no more spider mites in this bed. And I did get some corn seeds. I'm really wanting some corn stalks in my garden for the fall, and the corn that I have is 75 days to maturity, which takes us right up to mid-October. So I think I'm going to do that today along with work on this with Jason, but in the meantime I gotta get started with my daily routine. I started my daily routine off with watering my plant stash really well since it was gonna be so hot today. While I was watering, Jason took care of fertilizing for me. He tries to do a complete fertilizing about once a week, and my daily fertilizing just supplements that one big session. After watering, I moved on to planting. I wanted to plant a treasure trove rudbeckia from my plant stash right here in the border behind some cat's meow nepeta. I'm not sure exactly how this rudbeckia is gonna do right here because my strawberry tree does provide some shade to the sun-loving plant, but this border gets blasting hot afternoon sun, enough for the nepeta to be happy, so I think the rudbeckia might be happy here too. And I just think the golden yellow flowers behind the purple nepeta will be so pretty. I then moved on to weeding. I worked on this worst area of my garden for weeds, which is up front at the beginning of my dry creek bed. I really think I'm gonna have to spray weed killer in this area at some point because it's just out of hand, this bindweed. I'll probably wait until early spring, pull the plants, make a good plan for really getting on top of the bindweed and mulching in this area, and then hopefully it won't be such a big issue next year. Finally, I tackled deadheading my alstroemeria. The last time I deadheaded these was at the beginning of July, in the beginning of my 30-day challenge, so they really needed a little bit of TLC, and I finished 3 of them, and I'll work on the other 3 tomorrow. Okay, so I'm all done with my daily routine. I'm back in the back garden. And my plan is, I've just told you guys this before, my plan is to plant corn kernels. I had the urge to have some corn for fall. I'm seeing corn grow all over town, and I just love the look of it. It's not even so much that I want fresh corn because we have so many farm stands on the sides of roads. I get fresh corn all the time. It's more that I just really love seeing corn stalks growing in my garden. And so because I have these 2 empty beds, I thought it would just be beautiful to have 2 big blocks of corn growing. And if I get a harvest out of them, which I should mid-October, then great. But I just think that they're going to be really beautiful and very, very fall looking. So I didn't technically need, what did I end up getting? I ended up getting sweet corn. I didn't technically need sweet corn because I could have gotten ornamental corn, but this is what they had at, I went to Home Depot and found this. So that's my plan. Let me show you guys the irrigation leak. It's really bad. So here it is. It's been sitting here. Jason ran the irrigation maybe like an hour ago. So this has been sitting here for an hour. So that is not good at all. It's not drained enough or not dried out enough for Jason to work or for us to work here. So that's gonna have to be later on this afternoon, which is not fun because it's gonna be so hot, but this is a really bad leak. It needs to be addressed. So like I said, I think there's something here where the coupler is, but I think the biggest leak, I bet I'm almost positive, 99% positive, probably the sharpness of the metal beds probably just rubbed up against the hose. And so it's probably right underneath there that we have to take care of it. So not fun, but again, just kind of part of gardening.
Whatever residual water left over in the line is just gradually flowing to the low point.
Yeah.
And it's leaking out over here.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
So
I think it'll be an easy fix because it's obviously right here.
Yeah.
Right?
I think the easiest thing to do is just I'm gonna unplug it from there.
Yeah.
And just rip the whole thing out and just put a whole new one in it underneath.
Whole thing, how far?
Just from here.
Yeah.
Right? Connect here, a new 1/2 inch line.
Yeah.
Run a new 1/2 inch line up there.
Okay.
Easy.
I mean, you're not gonna mess with my rows, right?
No, look. This just goes here, right?
Yeah.
And this just dead ends.
Oh, it does?
Over there.
Oh, it dead ends. Okay. Well, that's good.
Yeah. So I just put a new strip and then we just plug the 1/4 inch into the...
Yeah.
It's easy.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Now the panels that are up, we put these panels up so that I could grow sweet peas here. And I grew sweet peas earlier this season in the spring, and they were really beautiful growing on these panels. And then my plan for this year was to have the thunbergia grow up and over them, and it was going to be so beautiful on a wall of flowers. And that just didn't really work because it got spider mites really, really badly. Now I'm thinking about just completely removing these panels. But I don't want to do that too soon. Like, I don't want to make a rash decision right now and remove the panels and then not have them there for sweet peas. I thought about possibly moving them back there, but then that's going to block out my autumn statue. So I don't really know what I'm going to do right now. Somebody had a really good idea and thought about moving the panels over here to kind of block out our well tank right there. And I thought that was a really good idea. But we are planning to renovate this whole area, and so we'll have other panels. Anyway, long story short, I'm planning just to leave the panels here for now because I don't want to take them out just in case I want to leave them for some reason. But I'm going to do 3 rows of corn right here. I'm going to do 1 behind, 1 right in front of the panel, and 1 up front. And I thought that would be good because if it's windy or something like that, at least these front 2 rows, or really any of the rows, could have the panel to keep them upright. So anyway, that's the plan. And I do already have drip irrigation. I have 3 rows of drip irrigation, and I'm just going to go right along every emitter, and that's where I'm going to plant them. And these emitters are 12 inches apart, which is going to work perfectly for corn. Now, one thing I was looking for at the garden center when I was buying my seeds, as I was looking for the shortest days to maturity. And so what this means is this is how long it's going to take for this to grow and to be able to harvest it. So I'm still going to have the look of the corn stalks probably even sooner than 75 days, but I wanted the shortest amount of days possible. And the other varieties were like 90, 85, 90 days. And this was the shortest one. It's called Early Golden Bantam, and 75. There's a lot of corn varieties that are 75 days to maturity. So that's something you want to look at when you're getting your seeds. Okay, enough talking. Let me just get to planting. I want to make sure that the drip irrigation is laid out properly first because it got all messed up when I was pulling out the thunbergia. I'm going to do 2 in each hole just to make sure that I get good germination. I'm honestly expecting good germination because the soil is probably so warm and corn likes warm soil, so I'm sure it's going to be great. Okay, easy enough. The chickens are yelling at me, shrieking at me, and I know what they want. I know they want another sunflower, so let me get it for them real quick. So these are the sunflowers I've been giving them, and they have been loving it. All right, girls. I got what you want. I hear you. Oh my goodness. Okay, I can't open it. There we go. You guys are very obnoxious today. This is what you want? Yes. When you girls gonna start laying eggs? It's about time. You guys have to start earning your keep. Did you just peck me? Excuse you? Excuse you? Okay, is that what you guys wanted? Can I help you? Huh? All right, all done, all sowed, ready to start growing, hopefully very quickly with the heat that we are having. I have to say, I love planting in beds when they have the drip all ready, everything's all laid out. It just makes it so easy, so easy. I can't wait. One day, I'm gonna replace these metal beds with taller, like wood beds, maybe like really nice beds. And it is just gonna be such a joy to plant back here. I can't wait for that. So anyway, this is all done. I'm gonna water it in. And then later today, once this all dries up, Jason and I will work on this, which is not gonna be fun, but that's okay. Whew, and I am already getting hot. I think it's only like 8:30 or something like that. It's just gonna be a hot day today. All right, you guys, I hope you all enjoyed this, and I hope you all have a chance to get in your garden today.